Take you outside for this right here. A live look out over downtown Tampa right now, and it is a good look, right? That kind of belies how cold it is out there, Bobby. Dangerously cold over the weekend.
I mean, like a lot of folks, we'd love to have that weather, today's weather for Gasparilla. We're missing it by one day because tomorrow, especially by midday, is going to be a completely different day. We've got a few sprinkles, cold air, and very windy conditions. I think the wind is going to make it feel colder, but that's going to be one of the biggest issues that we're going to deal with. And then that's bringing in the colder air, so extreme cold warnings will go into effect for Saturday night into Sunday morning. And yes, I think there will be a few flurries around. Accumulation, I don't think so, but will we pull up some flurries? I think we will. And then clear things out just enough, staying cold on Sunday, but clear and cold for the hockey game at Raymond James. A lot going on this weekend. Weather's almost appropriate, if you will, except for Gasparilla. Look at this, 70 in Riverview right now in Lakeland. That's absolutely gorgeous. Now, we should be 72 on average for this time of the year. Tampa will get close to it. I think we'll get up to around 70, but most areas, especially east of I-75, away from the water, we're going to go low to mid-70s today. Just gorgeous. There's the rest of your afternoon, all right? Lots of sunshine. I'm going to breeze through this one because it's easy. 60s into the 50s for your Friday night. Now, there is a rain chance, and let me show you that. This is the big picture, okay? This is this afternoon at 5 o'clock. That's actually the front. You see the winds coming in behind it? That's the main front, but it's not quite the leading edge of the coldest air. So by 11:30, that's when the main front comes through and it starts to bring in some of the cooler air, okay? But no rain chance at that point, very slim. This is around 7:30 tomorrow morning. There's I-4, Bradenton, Sarasota. Look at the rain. Manatee, Sarasota County, Lakewood Ranch. I think we wake up to a few showers in the morning. Moves out quickly. This is around 10 in the morning tomorrow. And then we're basically done with that. But look at all the low clouds. These clouds are a result of the cold air coming in across the Gulf. That's what makes these little sprinkles that you'll see. And that's what they'll be during the parade. That was 3 o'clock Saturday. This is 7 o'clock. And then we start watching to see how much moisture is left over when the cold air gets here tomorrow night into Sunday morning. And that will lead us into the chance for some snow. So let's talk real fast. Let's go into and talk about the parade. This is tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. Cloudy skies, 55 degrees, winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Gusts, that's nothing. All right, watch what happens by 2 p.m. The parade start. We've dropped temperatures down to around 50. Winds are gusting in the mid-20s, still cloudy. Let's go out to 3 o'clock. 49 degrees now. Feels like it's in the low 40s. By 4 or 5 o'clock, we're still in the 40s. We're dropping. Winds are increasing. A quick sprinkle. You see the green flash there? A quick sprinkle can't be ruled out. All right, 46 by 5 p.m. The parade usually ends 5 to 6 p.m. and falling. If you're going out afterwards, temperatures will fall into the 30s. Wind chills will fall into the low 30s. It's going to be cold. Look at the wind. This is tomorrow morning, 7 a.m., waking up with just a little breeze along the coast. And you're thinking, why can't we take the boat? That's why. That's noon. Here comes the wind, gusting to almost 30 along the coast. Look at the middle of the parade, 3 o'clock. Gusts to 30s, 10 to 20 miles per hour. We're going to have gusts close to tropical storm force, 30 to 40 mile per hour gusts. You think that tent can hold it? They've got the back on the tent. The wind's going to come in underneath that. I hope they have these things down there on Bayshore really secured. I feel like there's going to be some issues tomorrow on some of those. Then it brings in the cold air. Extreme cold watch for just about everybody for Saturday night into Sunday morning. Frost advisory south of Miami. That means cold wind chills for us and frost possible all the way down south. Now, let's talk about that snow chance. Everybody wants to know, will it snow? Well, that's almost midnight, Saturday night into Sunday. Those would be flurries. And I think this area from Pinellas all the way up through Hernando, but especially Pasco, North Pinellas, Northwest Hillsborough, you have the best chance. That's 1 in the morning, Sunday morning. See, even a little bit towards Bradenton. Look at this. Clearwater, Dunedin, Honeymoon, 3:30 in the morning on Sunday. That's 5 a.m., a little bit offshore. This is sprinkles that we normally get behind a front, but because it's cold enough, even 8 a.m. Sunday morning, some of that could fall as a snowflake. Yesterday, the model was showing a dusting here. Today, it's not showing it. So I wanted to show you this again to let you know that we're not expecting a lot, but I am expecting a chance that you'll at least see some flurries. So it's going to be late Saturday night and early on Sunday morning, and then we will be clearing things out. It's going to be great for the hockey game, but I'm thinking 43 when they drop the puck and falling. We will warm up, 60s by Tuesday, 70 by Wednesday.